The first thing you do is click the green Get Started button. Enter your website's domain name without the www. On the right side, you can see a preview of what your website could look like in SMS text format and with a text message interface. Enter a good email address and password, then enter your current billing information. Click Create Account. There will be several features that you'll have access to when you sign up. The Site Builder allows you to easily create your SMS website through DOTGO, never having to touch anything on your own website and with no programming experience necessary. It is also possible to use DOTGO without a website too. The Message Center allows you to broadcast bulk text messages to your subscribers. This is the mobile marketing portion of DOTGO. You can also schedule bulk text. One good use of scheduling text is in reminding people of appointments they may have. The Analytics section allows you to monitor the traffic in and out of your SMS site over any given time. You can see exactly where people are going on your site. You can view what people text in as well. The most basic messaging plan allows you 1,000 broadcast messages a month. We would highly suggest that you change your plan to 100,000 or 10,000 messages a month. This is because of the number of subscribers you may have locally offline or from the integration of the internet, where almost anybody can subscribe to your list online. After signing up and logging in, the first thing you'll have to do is to verify that you own the website that you just added. For our example, we have techscripts.com, which is our other website. Unverified websites show with this exclamation sign. Verified websites show a green check mark. Click the website to make sure it's selected. Go over to the right and then click Verify. Now there are two methods of verification. One is to create a CNAME record with your web host or domain name provider. The other is to manually add in a file to your website which will not allow you to use .co Site Builder. We're going to create a CNAME record. The next screen shows detailed instructions on how to verify your ownership with your domain name provider. If your website domain name provider is in the list provided, then by all means follow .go's instructions on how to verify. If your domain host provider is not on the list, you should be able to input the domain and record in manually through your domain name provider's interface or have them do it. Another thing you can try is doing it through your web host. The following is an example of a cPanel administration interface on a web host. Make sure you copy this record. Using cPanel, log into your web host and go to the Domains section and click on the Advanced DNS Zone Editor. In the name box, enter .go. In the TTL section, take a look at the list below and enter in the default TTL values. Select CNAME. Then paste the record you copied from .go. Click Add Record. You can see that the record has been added and you can view it near the bottom of the screen. The next step is to go back to the .go sites page. Then click Refresh Site. Though usually instant, you can click this link at any time within 72 hours to attempt to get it verified by .go. It may take up to 72 hours for any record changes to propagate through the internet before the changes can be read by .go. In our experience, it has usually been instant to us, as we saw in this video, for an existing domain name that isn't newly registered. We've only seen a wait time of 12 hours or less when deleting a site, changing the CNAME record, then adding and re-verifying the same site on an existing domain name. Now, on a side note, if you are verifying websites that already had existing .go index.cmrl files left from the other method of verifying, rename them or remove them from the root directory of your website before verifying with a CNAME. Not doing so will make your website not get verified no matter how many times you click the refresh site link. Since the page refreshed, you'll see that the site is now verified and that it is now hosted at DOTGO. You should be able to click Launch Publisher and use the site builder with no problems. The most basic messaging plan allows you 1,000 broadcast messages a month. We would highly suggest that you change your plan to 100,000 or 10,000 messages a month. This is because of the number of subscribers you may have locally offline or from the integration of the internet, where almost anybody can subscribe to your list online. If you have 100 subscribers to a list, 1,000 broadcasts per month only allows you 10 broadcasts per month. 100 subscribers should be pretty easy to get and can happen very fast. If you have 500 subscribers to a list, which may not be unusual, 1,000 broadcasts per month only allows you 2 messages out per month. Now, most advertisers use local printed mediums or billboards for mobile marketing, but since your mobile marketing campaign will be accessible from the internet through DOTGO, you can expect more traffic and subscriptions coming your way. Consider that most other short code providers only list up to 10,000 messages a month for higher prices and charge extra for more keywords and lists. DOTGO, on the other hand, gets you essentially unlimited keywords and lists and allows up to 100,000 texts a month. At a fraction of the cost of other short code providers, it should be obvious to see why a plan for 100,000 messages with DOTGO should be a requirement for any mobile marketing campaign. Please check our comparison table below to find out how much value you really are getting for this service.